Black heart, black heart.
What's up, everybody? This is Mark Days, and what we're going to be taking a look at today is the iPhone 13 Pro Max Tierra Blue. Let's see what it's looking like. Wow. I tell you, they sure know how to make something pretty. I'll tell you that. They sure know how to make something pretty. That blue is beautiful. So before we get into the setup, we already know no charger brick, just the wire. Let's see what we got. Got your SIM ejection tool, paperwork, and an Apple sticker. I mean, do I really have to take it out the box? You know what we're dealing with when you're dealing with Apple. We got a smaller notch this year, so that's good. 20% smaller. I can appreciate that. Can't wait until the notch is gone completely, to tell you the truth. So let's power this thing up and see what we're dealing with here. So, ProMotion display on this. I believe it toggles between, I think 10 all the way up to 120 or 60 to 120. I'm not too sure. I don't know all the specs. Got that iOS 15 hello screen greeting us. I'm loving the smaller notch. I wish they would have did something with this additional screen real estate here, like put the battery percentage, but it's all good. So let's get into this setup here, and we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna change my phone over live. Volume up and down, SIM card tray, ringer on and off, speaker, charger port. Cameras are significantly larger this year. Attack of the camera bumps the past few years. Phone's activating. Beautiful. Fingerprint magnets on the edges, but that beautiful stainless steel band. I love it. Same old setup, nothing new. Let me go ahead and get this phone set up and we will come right back. This is gonna take forever and ever and ever. All right, everybody, I'm back. Everything is set up. Right out the gate, this screen is so much brighter than the 12 Pro Max. I haven't tested ProMotion, but I mean, it's small. Smaller notch. It's a lot better. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was it. The unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There you have it. Pretty much the same as last year. Not many changes, but the internal bumps is what I'm happy about. Upgraded chip, upgraded camera system, upgraded screen. I think even an upgraded battery too. So there it is. Tierra Blue. Moment I've been waiting for. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more, God bless you. Peace be unto you.